Welcome to the Netiquette Next and welcome back to the series of WordPress and how we can create a web and we can design it and how we use it of our own. Now here we go to the localhost to connect our web to our data, localhost / and then our web name was TechVlog, then / and TV login, and here we go. It is being processed. Here I have here we are connected to the TechVlog and this was the theme we have chosen, and now we are going to the dashboard. Here we go, and here we are on login page. I'm gonna login it and it is being processed and we are connected to dashboard. We have access because we are the user. Here in appearance we already have choose the theme. Here in appearance we have a lot of other options except theme, that is customize, widget, menu, header, background, use domestic option, theme file editor. We shall go to customize, how we can customize our website. Here in today's amazing video we will be seeing how we can customize our web. Here is the about the theme, and now in general options we have global options, and in global options we have SEO, that is we can see the search engine optimization, and in that we have date to display, in which date our any post, anything we upload was published, and published date, and that the modified date of that thing we are going to publish. And here is the default theme, date format, default by theme, and WordPress default date, that is default. We are going to use the default. There is no detail you shall know about it, but it was important so I have told you. Here we have a preloader. Preloader enable site preloader. Here we go. Usually the preloader, when it works, our website gets a little bit slow and we don't have to enable it yet. It was just to show you, and here we go to enable it, and here we go again to the website styles. Here we have the color. Right now the color of our web we are using is green. We can choose the border color. Here is the border color, that's green. We can choose another. For example, I'm going to choose it to black, and the color of the border has changed to the black, as we can see, but we are going with the green because all the other color is green. Here we go again, and website layout. In the layout we have two options. Here is the one that is in box, and here is another one that has the full screen layout. Here we go, and it's gonna look like this in the box. Here is the header bar and all the other things are in box, and here we have this one. The screen gonna look like this. It will appear on the full screen. So we should go back at animation, hover effects. Here we have post title, hover effects, and we can choose none, and we can choose one effect, and image hover effect, that is we can choose none, and image hover effect, effect 1. We have chosen it and it will be hovered. Right now we didn't have customized or put any of much data on our web, but when we will put and we will choose these options, they will be working. Here we have social icons that are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, YouTube. We can choose when to and where to show them, and however we can hide them. If we hide them here, the Instagram and the Facebook, the sign of those, the logo of the Instagram and the Facebook are not going to show because I have hide them. But if we have now, and they have been again appeared here on the page. As you can see, the Facebook and the Instagram were disappeared when we had hide them, and now they are back on their position. And from this point we can open link in new tab, open link in the same tab. If we will be choosing any of these, and we will be choosing, and then if we have clicked on the opening the new tab, the Instagram page we have been put our link here, that will be open in new tab. And when we will be choosing this option, open link in the same tab, and we will be clicking on any of them, it will be open in the same tab. It's just this. And now we can see the buttons of read more. Here we have the option of read more. We can change this to just to read, and now you can see it is just the read. We shall write back the more, and now here we go, it has the read more option. We should go back to the sidebar options. Here we go, we have plenty of them. Front page sidebar layout, here we have these layouts. We can see them one by one. Our web's gonna look like this if we choose this, and gonna look like this if we choose this option. Same goes for all of them. We just have to choose, and our layout for the web will be like we choose the option. These are basically the structures. Here we have breadcrumb option, and breadcrumb option type is by default we can choose nav xt and Yoast SEO and rank math. Those are the plugins have extra functionalities, but we are going to choose the default because it is good. And display breadcrumb on for main container. Here we have before inner container, full width and inner container options. Here we go to the scroll to top and down. We can see the icon here. Here we have right now it in right. We can choose it to center. Now it has appeared in the center, and here we have the option to choose it to left, and here we click on it. We have clicked it, and now it has, we are on the top right now. Scroll to top visibility, we have visibility of desktop, of the tablet, and we can show this on phone, and how it's gonna show on the phone will be appeared here. And we have button level. Now that was for today. In the next video I will be telling you more about the customization, so don't go anywhere, be right here with us, and you can see how we can manage and customize fully our website. So please like and share our video and subscribe our channel.